Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about integration of your GA4 data with BigQuery. Now, GA4 has a very important feature where GA4 can be easily integrated with your BigQuery with simple steps, and the advantage of integrating your GA4 with BigQuery is like you have this data retention, unlimited data retention. You don't need to do sampling of the data. Now the report will be more accurate as the data is more, and we can have a full picture of data over a large data set. In case of GA4, since the data retention is a problem, it has only like few months of data you can store, so there is a limitation. So based upon if the data is less, the reporting part is not that much accurate. Plus, once this raw data is there in BigQuery, we have lot of different query options that we can do. Again, it is not limited to what GA4 reporting provides. We can do all the different types of queries, SQL queries, and any type of data we can fetch because we have access to the raw data, we have access to the large data set. Plus, this BigQuery, it can easily be integrated with other BI tools, whether it is Tableau, whether it is Power BI. Now, if you want to join this data source with other data source with other CRM, that is also feasible. And the main, if you talk about the advantages like data retention, so we can store large amount of data of over many years of the data. Earlier, this particular feature was available in UA 360. Again, that was paid, but now GA4 is free version, and you can easily integrate your GA4 with your BigQuery and do all those queries, all those reportings. You can integrate with different uh, tools, business intelligence tool, so that you have a dashboard. So this was all basically about BigQuery integrated with GA4. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.